Okay, Annabelle, we're by the sea and it's our summer holiday, so let's sing a song about summer holiday, shall we? We're all going on a summer holiday, no more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday, no more working for me and you for a week or two. We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies, so let's see if it's true. Everybody wants a summer holiday to do the things they always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our dreams come true. Just me and you. Yay, Annabelle, do you like that song? What do you want to do, Annabelle? You want to sing a song about the birds? Daddy doesn't really know any songs about the birds, Annabelle. What song is there about the birds? 海鸥，海鸥，我们的朋友。海鸥，海鸥，我们的好朋友。Is that how the song goes, Annabelle?